Hello, hello. Tiffany Haynes here. I am coming to you today, first of all, from beautiful Jamaica, here on a business retreat. But I wanted to take some time out of this retreat to spend some time with you to talk about the source of your misery. I just want to get to the source of your misery. I'm going to give you the cure. Okay. Before I hang up this live today, I'm going to give you the cure. It is up to you what you do about it, but I'm going to give it to you right here, right now. So, the source of misery is this: you have a desire, you have something that you want to do, you have in a sense of urgency to go from point A to point B, but you're being passive about what you do about it. And the passiveness doesn't take away from the inner turmoil. So there's something in you that's like, you should be doing something else. You should be doing this. You should be doing better. You should be further. You have this gift that you're not using. You know you're good at this and you're not doing anything about it. You have a gift inside of you, but you go to a job where that gift is not used at all, and you feel like there's maybe a component to your life that is unfulfilled. I am here to tell you that that feeling is natural. Pastor Darius says that frustration is on God's payroll. And I love that quote because it means that anytime God wants you to do something different, he agitates you. He agitates you so that you can do something about it. And when you don't, okay, so when you take a desire for something more and you couple that with passiveness, it's going to equal misery. It's going to equal frustration. It doesn't mean that the misery can't go away. It means that the cure to that is to take action. That's the cure. I even wrote down the definition of passive because I thought it was so powerful. Let's look at this. To be passive about something is accepting or allowing it to happen, and to be without an active response or resistance. So that means you're getting punched in the face and you're not defending yourself. You're not showing any type of resistance, right? And so because of that, you have a desire, you have a passive reaction, which is no reaction, and then it creates this inner turmoil of being miserable.